Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 40079 and this is the Mini VW T1 camper van. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing because this is my 200th one of these Polybag build-alongs. And I've done one of these a day, every day, for the last 200 days. And I plan on doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, there's plenty more. There's plenty out there already, and there's more on the way. Now, what I decided to do for Polybag number 200 is I figured I would do kind of an interesting one. And this is probably, I think this is the most expensive Polybag that I've done so far. And this probably runs you about $25 to $35. I've included links in the description where you could maybe find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. If you can't find it in either of those two places, you can also check eBay. I know eBay tends to have these every now and then, and just keep an eye on it. Like if you're interested in this particular set, just keep an eye on it, and you know, look for a good price because these kind of vary in price a little bit. Now it looks like we're going to have a sticker for this one. And as you have probably noticed if you've watched any of my Polybag build-alongs so far, or any of the other LEGO stuff, is I don't like stickering Legos. But I'm guessing this is just the VW sticker. Yeah, this is the VW sticker on the front. Because they tend to, for some reason, I guess there's probably an IP reason why they tend to have like proprietary stuff as stickers. Anyway, let's take a look at this and put it together. And this, by the way, this is a pretty good sized Polybag. It's 76 pieces, which is maybe the second biggest one I put together so far. The biggest one was that Friends, I think the Friends Tulip was at 100 pieces. And there was another Friends one that I did just recently. It was like 75. And so this one is 76. And it looks like it's going to be a pretty big Polybag. I mean, you're going to get a decent sized, I mean, this is going to be basically forming the frame of it. So, it's probably decent sized. Let's see. We got that. And the two wheels. Like so. You know, normally what I do is I put together the tires when I'm talking about, you know, check in the description for information where you can find this on Bricklink, etc. But I forgot to do it that time. I was distracted talking about other random things. So I guess I'll put together the wheels while I'm at it. I always feel better having the wheels together in advance. I don't know why. But it just helps with my peace and tranquility. It's kind of small. It has kind of small little wheels. But I'm guessing they were trying to get it as close to scale, like as close to the ratio of things as they could. These wheels are a little tough to get together. Normally I can just pop them together on the table, but these need a little bit of finagling to get them to go in. So we'll get this taken care of, and then we'll get on to the rest of the vehicle. I'm actually really excited to see this one. It looks like it's going to be neat looking at the end, and so hopefully it will not disappoint. All right, so you're right there, and then we need to tear open our little baggie of parts. Here's our little parts. So what we need is the little bumper pieces. These are going to be the bumpers on the front and the back. I guess they're going to be bumper pieces, right? And then we have some red L's, red L-shaped pieces that I'm completely putting all wrong. All right, so then I'll hold that on. And so I'll hold this on. And then we need two more on the back. Same setup. and the 2. That gets us to there. Let me readjust my instructions. So this gets us to here, and so we have a red 1x4 and a red 1x4 and a red 1x4. Next, grab that, and then we're going to handle the back. It looks like the brake lights. So the brake lights are going to be like so, and like so. And then we have a red 1x2 tile to finish off the rest of the bumper. And I'm guessing this is going to be the rear bumper. Yeah, this goes on back, like right there. And then we pop in the wheel wells. We maybe pop in the... oh, I knew there was a step I was missing. Put in this red piece right here. A red 2x6, like so. And then we pop in the wheel wells. And we pop in the other wheel well, like that. And then we have 2 1x8s. Yeah, 2 1x8s that hold everything together from there, like so. And then 2 1x10s, 2 black 1x10s, to sort of give us the finish it looks like on the car. And this goes on the back. So we have a black 1x2 that goes on the back, like so. And on the front, okay, so on the front, we're going to have what would be, the logo would go there, and we have 2 headlights at the bottom. Oh no, we don't have the headlights at the bottom yet, do we? We have to put the 2 jumpers there first. Alright, so we put a jumper here and a jumper here, and then the headlights go on. Headlight and a headlight. That's a really good looking front of a car, I gotta tell you. That looks solid right there. That looks nice. Alright, so let's take care of that. And it says apply sticker, which we're not going to do, because that is not how we roll. And so next, we put a couple of 1x1s on the back, and we put in what is going to form the back window. So the back window goes on like so. Let me straighten this up. And then we alternate 1x1s, it looks like. We go clear 1x1 and not clear 1x1. Clear 1x1, not clear. And we do it one more time. Yeah, now we do it one more time. Alright. And then we put a window like so. And then we just repeat it on the other side. Clear and not clear. I like these bricks, by the way. I like these little transparent 1x1 bricks. Makes me want to build a building out of them. Alright. So that gets us to here. And we put the other window right there. And then this goes on the back to hold that on. And then we have a pair of, oops, if I can reach it. We have a pair of 1x8s hold down all those 1x1s we put in. We have another 1x8 right there, like so. And then we put these two on for the front to kind of handle the windshield. So that's the front of our car so far. And then this goes on the back, so it goes right there. And then we have a couple of these, a couple of 1x2 cheese slopes, and the other two go on the other side, like that. And then this goes on the top, like that. And alright. And so we do that, and then we're going to build this up. So we have that, and then this, and these two. And this is going to sort of have this a little offset, like that. And that goes on top, like so. And then we put wheels on it. Alright. There are the wheels. And that's our little mini VW camper van. That's cool looking. So that's the front. There would be a sticker there, but again, we don't do stickers that way. That's the side. And the other side and the back. That's cool looking. Anyway, extra piece wise, we got these two. So that's neat. I'm kind of impressed. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.